In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a ClickUp proofing and file review workflow for creative teams. We'll walk through a simple setup you can replicate right away to keep design assets, marketing visuals, and approvals moving smoothly. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, create a dedicated home for this process so everything stays organized. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Creative Workflow. This gives you a clean container for your creative review process without cluttering other work. Inside that space, create folders to match your teams or major projects. For example, set up a design team folder and a marketing team folder. This separation makes it effortless to filter and report later, and it helps each team focus on what's relevant to them. Within each folder, add a list specifically for proofing. This is where the review happens. Structure the list with 3 clear stages that reflect your approval journey. Ready for review for files that have been submitted and are waiting. Under review for items currently being checked, and approved or completed for anything finalized. Naming these clearly makes it obvious where every file stands at a glance. By the way, if you still need access to ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description to visit the website or download the desktop app. Grab it there so you can follow along and set this up as you watch. Now, add tasks for each file that needs review. Think of each task as a single deliverable, like social media graphics, blog images, marketing banners, or design mockups. Keep task names specific, and drop the file directly into the task so reviewers don't have to hunt for attachments. Comments are great for feedback and clarifying edits. Enhance clarity by adding fields. Priority helps you highlight what's urgent, assignee makes the owner obvious, due date sets expectations, and status keeps the task's current state visible at all times. These fields ensure everyone knows who's doing what, and by when. Set task statuses to do, in progress, and completed, so your team can reflect the work they're doing as they move through the review lifecycle. As a file enters review, shift it from to do to in progress. And when it's finalized, mark it completed and place it in approved or completed on the list. Finally, monitor progress using list view for detailed rows or board view for a visual drag and drop across stages. You'll instantly see what's pending, what's in review, and what's approved. That's it. You now have a ClickUp proofing and file review workflow to manage creative tasks efficiently and ensure everything gets approved on time. Thanks for watching.